Welcome to another stock analysis video performed by MajesticTrader.com, where active traders seek greater profits. So let's begin. Hi everybody, this is Ron Lang with MajesticTrader.com, and we're doing our weekly S&P 500 analysis video for you. So we had a very interesting and volatile week this week, and we've been talking about this 1100 level as a concrete floor, and we went through it very violently on Tuesday the 5th, made a new 52-week low at 1074 before a significant rally up. This 1074 level was essentially a 50% retracement from the high low back in 2000. Came all the way up very strongly through Thursday. Friday we had a bit of a rally and then a sell-off in the afternoon. We got very near the 50-day moving average. We didn't bounce off of it, but the Dow and the NASDAQ essentially bounced off of their 50-day moving average. Fell down, we settled around 1155. So essentially, where are we going at this point? Well, we are expecting the market to rally over the next couple of weeks. Maybe not violently, maybe not sharply, but we are expecting a steady rise as corporate earnings look good, but we're probably going to have some mixed guidance. If it rallies, we do expect it to go through that 50-day moving average and settle somewhere in the 1205 to 1225, 1230 range before we go sharply lower the end of October and November. If you look at the charts at what happened after the last 3 or 4 earnings seasons, the market fell pretty sharply after a brief to a significant rise. We're expecting nothing different right now. If you look at the ADD and the trend, we actually have a bear market and a bear trend that it's showing. This is the trend. Both the daily and the weekly were showing a significant and steep slope here for the trend, and also for the ADD. These are the advanced decline differential on the NYSE. And what we are looking for is a break of 500, which we'll probably get over the next week or two here. And we're looking for, on the weekly, we're looking probably for a neutral or an even number on the ADD, a break of the downtrend here for the weekly over the next 2 to 3 weeks. But as you can see, the charts are not promising. And you want to be very, very skeptical about any type of an uptrend or what I'm going to call a bear trap. This thing is going to think that there's going to be a bull rally here over the next couple of weeks, only to get a significant fall. Now, a lot of this will also depend on what happens with the EU, with Greece. This Friday, October 14th, there is a debt payment. If they miss that debt payment, all hell's going to break loose with the markets. We don't expect that to happen. We think that the EU is going to come through with some type of a resolution, at least for this Friday, maybe not for a resolution for the entire debt that they owe, or even a haircut that they're expected to do. But we might, if there is issues that come out of the EU, we might bounce off this 50-day moving average and break through this 1100 line before the end of this week. But again, we do expect that there will be a resolution with Greece, and with that resolution, we expect the markets to go higher, probably to the 1200 level this week, to the 1205, 1225 level next week, before we start to see some leveling off, basing and consolidation, and then it will resolve itself to the downside. We'll break the 1100, probably retest the 52-week lows. And if you've been watching our videos and getting our newsletter over the last several months, you know that we're looking for at least 1020 to 1040 on the S&P as the next down target range. We have a couple of webinars coming up this week. Make sure you go to our website, MajesticTrader.com. Check it out. We have one on Tuesday, which is high probability trading, learning the sectors. And then on Thursday, the 13th, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with Jeff Manson going through the ABC patterns with Fibonacci levels. You don't want to miss that. So make sure that you go to our website, Register for those, and we'll look forward to seeing you at those webinars and attending our web video analysis every single week. Thank you. Thank you for attending another MajesticTrader.com's stock chart analysis. Visit our website to request one of our newsletters. Go to our website at www.majestictrader.com. In the upper right-hand corner, put in your email address and your name, and we'll send you out a copy. Once you become a member, you'll have access to complete trade performance, all stock analysis videos, archived newsletters, and midweek alerts that are trading ideas. We'll send those out to you via email. Again, thank you for attending.